Let's see the second conditional. In the first conditional we saw the possible condition, isn't it? See, in the second conditional it also has the two clauses, okay? One is if clause and another one is main clause. The second conditional describes an imaginary na ஒரு கற்பனையா பேசுறது, impossible or unlikely situation in the present or future, refers to a situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. ஒரு நடக்க முடியாத ஒரு விஷயத்தை பற்றி சொல்கிறாங்க, ஓகேவா? For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a mansion. நான் லாட்ரி வின் பண்ணியிருந்தா நான் மேன்ஷன் வாங்கியிருப்பேன். அப்போ நான் லாட்ரி வின் பண்ணல, மேன்ஷன் வாங்கலை, அதுதான் விஷயம், ஓகேவா? See, in this sentence, if I won a lottery, in this sentence, one is the past simple, would buy is the conditional past, okay? See, the condition is if I won a lottery and the result is I would buy a mansion. See in the second sentence, if I were you, I would quit smoking. நான் நீயா இருந்தா நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பேன்? ஐ வுட் குவிட் ஸ்மோக்கிங் பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டேன், நான் அதை விட்டுட்டு இருப்பேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நான் நீயா இருந்தா, திஸ் இஸ் இஃப் கிளாஸ் and the main clause is I would quit smoking, okay? See, if the if clause comes first in the sentence, suppose ஒரு சென்டென்ஸில் if முதல்ல வந்ததுன்னா நீங்கள் கமா போட்டு எழுதணும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா I would buy a mansion if I won the lottery அந்த மாதிரி வந்ததுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், அந்த இடத்துல வந்து நீங்கள் கமா போட்டு எழுதணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை, ஓகேவா? See this example. If I were you, I wouldn't eat that. We used were even though the subject is singular. This is because were can be used for all the persons in the if clause, okay? See, for I, we, you, he, she, it and they. See, for all the subject we must use were in the if clause. Instead of was, we must use were for he, she, it, okay? Usually in the past tense we use was, isn't it? He was, she was, it was. But in the conditional we must use were instead of was, okay? Let's see some other examples in the second conditional. See, if I found $100 in the street, I would buy that dress. See, if I found $100 in the street is in the if clause. I would buy that dress is in the main clause. See, found is in the simple past, would buy is in the conditional past. See the next sentence. If he had a proper job, he would have enough money. In this sentence, had is in the simple past, would have is in the conditional past. See the next sentence. If Mrs. Guys was my grandmother, I would be her grandchild. In this sentence, was is in the simple past, would be is in the conditional past. See, here we must change this verb, okay? Was. How to change this verb? Where. Instead of was, we must use where, okay? We had seen this, how to change the verb, isn't it? Let's see some other examples in the second conditional. See, if I were king, I would rule the world. If I were king is in the if clause, I would rule the world is in the main clause. In this sentence, where is in the simple past, would rule is in the conditional past. See the second sentence. I would think about it carefully if I were you. Here the result clause comes first and the if clause comes the second, okay? I would think about it very carefully. I would think is in the result clause. I were, this is in the if clause, okay? See, there is a comma after condition or before the result. கண்டிப்பாக வந்து if clauseல ஆரம்பிச்சா இங்கே கம்மா போடணும். இஃப் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்ச உடனே நீங்கள் கமா போடணும். சப்போஸ் ரிசல்ட் கிளாஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்ததுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, இங்கே வந்து கமா போட வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸ் கம்பைன் பண்ணும்போது இன்பிட்வீனில் ரிசல்ட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வரும்பொழுது நீங்கள் இங்கே கமா போட வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை, ஓகேவா?